Carrying forward their father's legacy of seeing things differently and capturing them in lens, brother duo Badal and Raja Jain have completely taken the wedding photography and filming industry by storm. Celebrated for awe-inspiring innovations in photography and videography ever since their company's inception in 2002, the duo is now one of the most sought-after names in the domain. First ones to use Cine Alta cameras for wedding films back in 2005, these Delhi-based dynamic brothers specialize in cinematic wedding and candid photography. Not just in India, but across the world, having shot around 600 plus extravagant weddings in over 25 countries. Today, they are the reckoned amongst the top and most preferred wedding photographers in the world. When asked about their entry into the industry, Badal and Raja quoted, "We didn't choose photography, photography chose us." Filming was inherited in the dynamic duo since their childhood. The foundations of their years to come were etched while working alongside their father at a tender age of 12-13 years. They used to assist their father and his team while they were still in school and learned the intricate details of the business back in early 1992. These were the years when the fascination towards camera grew among them. Mesmerized by its ability to capture the entire world, they were working with leading broadcasters like BBC, NDTV, APTV, CNN, Doordarshan, etc. And alongside their father, they got to be associated with renowned shows like World This Week, hosted by none other than Pranay Roy. Late 90s proved to be their initial years of struggle and hardships when they literally had to hunt for freelance work, visiting studio after studio. During those days, wedding photography was never on their cards, as their work primarily consisted of doing news coverage and documentaries for various news channels. It was only in 2002 they ventured out and explored the blooming wedding photography and filming industry after being introduced by Mrs. Meher Sarid, a notable Delhi-based wedding planner. Raja blissfully remembers how Mrs. Sarid's version of having documentary-styled wedding photo and video shoot opened newfound doorways for Badal Raja Company, with their first client being owner of Wave Cinemas, late Mr. Ponti Chadda's daughter and son's weddings. Not just weddings, the duo has effortlessly carved its niche in fashion shoots and corporate events too. They've shot for fashion biggies like Rohit Bal and Manav Gangwani in India Culture Week, capturing a stunning medley of real movements and artistic portraits, weaving an engrossing storytelling and using state-of-the-art post-production facilities. The duo creates stunning visual treats which turn out to be beautiful memories. In 2002, when most of us just knew the concept of Shaadi Ka video, Badal and Raja shook the industry with a unique sense of creative photography and filming. This not just got them name and fame, but also made Badal Raja Company an official media partner for capturing family weddings of some notable who's who like Mr. Sunil Mittal from Airtel, Mr. Sameer Jain from Times of India, Mrs. Shobna Bhartia from Hindustan Times Family, Vikram Chatwal, American hotelier, Shilpa Shetty, the Bollywood actress, and many more. Raja, while speaking on their HNI clientele, says, having shot the weddings of Bollywood celebrities like Isha Deol and billionaires like the Hindujas and even royalties like Sri Arvind Singh Ji, Mewad of Udaipur, it is imperative that we respect and guard their privacy the most. According to Badal and Raja, usually they sit down with their family and take a note of their preferences and contractually bind them to assure the client's utmost trust and confidence. Thereafter, based on the contract, they share these private moments with only the client's predetermined media sections. Over the years, Badal Raja Company has been acknowledged with numerous awards and accolades. They have been featured on CNBC Young Turks and have widely been published in print media such as Forbes India, Wall Street Journal, and Vogue Weddings, to name a few. Set aside work, Badal and Raja like to follow other pursuits in their leisure time, which mostly include sports, music, and superbiking. Both the brothers consider their family as the biggest support system for their decorated growth over these years, beginning from their father, who they considered an institution all by himself. Mother, a protagonist of love and affection, and their respective wives and children, who have stood beside them in all their thick and thin. With cameras in our hands, innovation in our minds, and family on our side, brothers in arms, life is simply picture perfect.